this question, you make 2n coin tosses and an element is chosen if the corresponding coin toss were head, which means that you need exactly n elements to be chosen. So out of 2n tosses you need exactly n heads, which means that you will be having n heads and n tails. This is the requirement. Now we need to find the probability for exactly n heads to happen. You have 2n tosses. You have 2n tosses. Each of this toss can be either head or tail, which means that each of this thing can be filled in two ways, which means that 2 raised to 2n is the total number of outcomes. The total number of outcomes will be 2 raised to 2n, because this is a 2n. You can assume this in this thing in a different manner. You have 2n positions where you fill either 1 or 0, which means that you are going to find a binary number of length 2n bits. So the total combination, the total number of numbers with 2n bits will be 2 raised to 2n. So you have 2 raised to 2n different combinations possible. 2 raised to 2n different combinations. Now you need to find those combinations in which the number of heads is exactly n, which means that the number of tails will also be exactly n. So 2n, there are 2n positions of which you have to select. You have to select n positions for heads, and when you do that, you actually choose n different n position for tails as well. So if you choose n positions for heads, then the remaining n positions will be having tails. So out of 2n positions, you have to select n positions for the heads. So there will be 2n different numbers with n number of heads, or rather, again, if I am doing it in a manner similar to binary number, now you will be having 2n positions. So out of this 2n, you have to find the number of different combinations possible for exactly n numbers to be 1. If this is 1 0 1 etc., and then again you have 1 1. If you count the number of n's and if you get it n, that's fine. So you will be having 2n different numbers which have n ones. So 2n divided by 2 raised to n. 2 raised to n is the total number of possible outcomes, and 2n is the favorable outcome. So 2n divided by 2 raised to 2n will be, or rather 2n divided by 4 raised to n will be the answer.